Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you can tell by the title of this video, we are going to be talking about Jordan Mackey, the course creator of the Bye 9 to 5 YouTube automation course. As you can see, Bye 9 to 5, helping you succeed on YouTube. We're going to do another deep dive into his course. And before I even get started, I just want to make it perfectly clear, although you can make YouTube or you can make money very fast on YouTube, and it can almost be what you would call passive income. The idea of passive income is very obsolete. It's almost not real. There really isn't much truth behind passive income unless you've invested your money into stocks or something like that. Because with a business, you do need to put the time in, and this is a business. So again, although you can generate a full-time income from YouTube automation, this is not a completely passive offhand business model at the start. At the back end, it can definitely be one of those types of business models, but this will take time and commitment upfront to get started. So without further ado, I'm going to log in here and we're going to get right into this video. Hey guys, here we are in the back office of the Bye 9 to 5 YouTube automation course. You should all recognize this man, Jordan Mackey, if you managed to find yourself on this video. As mentioned, we are going to be doing a deep dive into the course. I get comments all the time about questions all the time about how good Jordan's course is. I have made videos of it in the past, but I did want to make another one and a more updated one to determine to new viewers whether or not this course is still worth it in the year of 2023. As you can see, just by looking at the screen right at the top here, the course is going for $997 right now, so nearly $1,000. To a lot of people that might be a turnoff. It used to be around $300, obviously. With adding updates and always improving the course, you can only expect price is going to go up. Right now it's $997. I got it at about $300. A lot of other people got it at about $600, $700, and now we're at $1,000. So if you are watching this and you're interested, get the course now. I'm just going to say it just like that. If you want to get started, this is the place to come. Jordan Mackey is a very reputable individual. And I would definitely recommend you taking this course, this program, and taking all the notes you can throughout this whole program. Okay, right off the bat, you can see that you're welcome to a private Facebook group. I highly recommend you join that. It is a very great tool to be in. There is thousands of people in there constantly asking questions, constantly giving you feedback, constantly telling you where to improve, what niches are hot, what video topics are hot. Something very, very good and informative to somebody looking to get started in YouTube automation. Scrolling down, he even helps you guide you through finding your perfect niche. There's tons and tons and tons of niches. I believe he even has a list here. There it is, of 200 profitable niches and final notes on choosing a niche. If you are having trouble, I know I did when I first started out. In fact, I ended up choosing something off of his list, and it's worked out pretty well for me. But there is this list here for those who are having issues choosing a niche. Moving on, he walks you through the YouTube basics. He shows you how to create a YouTube account, channel name, YouTube menu navigation, setting up your YouTube channel, because there is certain ways you want to set it up. You definitely want to watch the Google AdSense account overview and make sure you're setting up your Google AdSense account correct. You can only have one Google AdSense account, so do not mess that part up. And there's just all sorts of information in this module as well. Here we are in the passing monetization review. Obviously, if you want to get paid on YouTube, it's actually through Google AdSense. You need to be monetized, which basically means you're putting ads over top of your videos. You need to hit certain requirements like 1,000 subscribers as well as 4,000 public YouTube watch hours. Obviously, I bypass this. My channel is pre-monetized. That is also a benefit inside of his Facebook group. So if that is the route you're looking to do or take, again, it helped me out. I have 2 channels that I bought from Jordan, or not Jordan directly, one of his colleagues in there, in the Facebook group. I bought 2 channels. They're both up and running. Both bring me in a monthly paycheck. This section here really was the bread and butter for me. It really made a big difference. I was struggling to try and find video ideas. You can only stay on top of it for so long, but he really breaks it down on how to really find high search volume video ideas. That obviously not every video idea is going to blow up, but I would say 1 in 10 of this using his method statistically in the past has worked for me. Not in the millions of views by any means, but videos that outperform others by using his methods by far. Here we are in the creating and editing your videos section. I have not watched a single one of these videos. I already have a team who creates all my videos for me. I've outsourced everything from day one. That's why I got involved in it, YouTube automation. I'm a little familiar with how to edit videos, but I'm not a pro by any means, so I leave that up to people who actually know what they're doing. I don't do voiceovers, I don't do scripts, I don't do any of that. I just sit back, give ideas, and run it on the back end. SEO secrets and strategies for truly going viral. SEO meaning search engine optimization. Basically just means you need to learn how to rank your videos. If you can't rank your videos, people aren't going to be able to find them. So title, keywords, description, all that. He goes over exactly what you want to do, creating engaging thumbnails. You can have the best video idea, title in the world, but if you have a boring thumbnail, it is less likely to succeed than something that even has a not so good title, not so good video, but a very exciting thumbnail. So keep that in mind if you are going through this module as well. Additional monetization techniques to boost your income. Obviously, again, monetizing it means you have to put ads on your videos. There's secrets for boosting your ad revenue, which is pretty, insightful. Additional monetization methods you can implement. Translating your channel to boost revenue. If you guys don't know this, Mr. Beast, he does this. He has a channel in English, Spanish, all sorts of different languages. It's the exact same video idea. It's just translated into different languages, uploaded onto different channels. And again, he's done the work once, but he's getting paid in multiple different channels because he's done the work to translate the videos to different languages for different viewers to understand, giving him more revenue. He has 3 niche case studies. I didn't watch any of these. Wasn't really something I was looking into. It didn't really intrigue me, but it is here. I recommend you watch everything in the modules just so that you know exactly what you're getting into. But this module is here as well. Moving on to outsourcing and automation, I didn't really go through much of this part of the course because, like I mentioned before, I already had my team in place. Actually, I still have the same team when I started almost a year and a half ago in place. Same team from back then. I still use basically the same team now, and just keeping things running smoothly. So again, I can't touch too much on this, but obviously it's in here for a reason. So I definitely recommend you checking it out if you're looking to outsource and actually automate your YouTube channel. Here we have something on the back end. If you are in a, the tech niche maybe, and you make reviews on particular tech objects or anything really, and you want to make an extra little bit of money, you can always sign up for Amazon affiliates. Put your Amazon link to whatever product you're talking about in the video, and let's say your video gets 1,000 views and 1% of those people actually buy that product. That could be 1,000 sales just off one video getting 100,000 views. Again, creating more revenue for you. That's exactly what affiliate marketing is. You basically promote other people's products. These people buy using an affiliate link that you would put in the description, and bam, you get a bonus in your bank account every single week. Joining and navigating affiliate marketing networks. This is tied into the module above. If you are looking to do affiliate marketing, which a lot of channels can do, even if you're not willingly knowing it, there is something you can promote as an affiliate. It almost applies to every single niche out there for the most part. Or even furthermore, you can create your own product, whether it be a t-shirt or a coffee mug or whatever. You can also promote that in the description of your videos as well. Okay, here we go. Strategies for YouTube affiliate marketing. Again, didn't really watch this. I don't do a lot of affiliate marketing in my YouTube videos, but there is a module on this. So if that is something that intrigues you, which again, a lot of people should be looking at this, I really do recommend it. I should probably be looking at it my own self, but there is strategies for you to do a YouTube affiliate marketing. Again, you've done the work. All you have to do is find a product that you relates to your niche or that you like and promote it in the description of your video. Simple as that. How to increase the click-through on your links on YouTube. Again, you can put the link in the YouTube description, but you want to make sure people are actually clicking that link if you are trying to do affiliate marketing. So this is what this module is all about. Probably want to look at that if you plan on doing affiliate marketing as well. Here we have affiliate marketing strategies not using YouTube. Again, didn't look at this because I am not doing affiliate marketing on my YouTube channels, but it is there for those who want to do affiliate marketing. Definitely recommend you checking it out. And then last but not least, he has the conclusion. So again, didn't read that, but it's there if you want it. And that pretty much sums up exactly what's in Jordan's Buy 9 to 5 YouTube automation course. The question was, is this course still worth it in the year of 2023? I would have to say yes, it is. Again, from my beginning statement, this is not an overnight success business. It does take time up front, but as things progress and you get the hang of things, it does become a little bit more passive. But get rid of the idea it's going to be passive from day one. It does take time. It's a business like anything else, and you have to commit yourself as well as your time to it. Even some money it might take if you are looking at fully automating your business. So just keep that in mind. But again, I would recommend this course to anybody who's looking to get started with YouTube automation. And as always, the link is in the description if you are interested. Depending on when you click on it, it may have a discount code on it. So I definitely recommend you using my link in the description. That's it for this time, and we'll see you guys soon.